Yo, what's going on there, YouTube? What's going on? As you see, I am heading to work. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get the camera right. Heading to my truck. Man, I don't have my headset on today because they kind of what they did. I forget to charge them up yesterday. I forget to charge it up yesterday, and so it's dead. So I saw me coming up on here. Oh man. So my man right there over here move his SRV with whatnot. That's cool. You know, he parked this alone. So what do we have here today, y'all? What do we have here today is that I'm dropping this trailer. I'm gonna drop this trailer. I got a load today. It's a JB Hut load, which I ain't gonna need this trailer here today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm basically going to, crank the truck, trick the truck out. Matter of fact, while you're here, let's look over the truck. Let's look over the truck. The man right here, man, I feel sorry for him too because he don't have work near, man. And he kind of give up on trucking. So what I'm doing, I'm just checking, make sure no leaks or nothing like that. And I say I got a little oil leaks in the motor because I need an oil pan gasket change and stuff. So I'm just hope God will bless me to give me some financial boosts. And so I could get the work truck. So I got to get all this stuff fixed. These the ejection seals, which I got them. I just got to get my mechanic do it and change this gasket here. I got to change that and stuff. This here I don't know need tighten or I need something new on that. And that hose there, I need to replace this hose too, because I got to keep tighten up. So I need some lock clamps. But that was happening ever since I put that new radiator in. And back there, I think it's because of the seals leaking. It's coming from down there and stuff. So it just a couple of things I got to get done to my truck that I really need to get done to the truck. And because I want to end up saying, hey, you know what? Let's take some loads. Let's take some loads to North Carolina. Let's take some loads to South Carolina. You know, it's something I just need God to give me a financial gain, a financial blessing. That's what I'm trying to get out. So I'm gonna cut it off right here. I'm gonna end up drop this trailer, put a lock on it. You know, I got a kingpin lock. Put a lock on it. Then go out and get me a cup of coffee. While the truck warm up a little bit, get some fuel put in it. Then go pick up the trailer. I hope I don't put to pick it up at 8 o'clock. And it's about 4:30 now. I'm hoping when I get there, because I got the trailer number and everything they told me to pick up, I'm hoping that the trailer's ready to be picked up. So I can pick it up, get to Virginia, beat that traffic. So that's a hope. But other than that, we're gonna I gotta get some DEF too. Gotta get some DEF. So to that, peace out, y'all.